So if you're a business owner or a content creator constantly worried about where to get content ideas from, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you where to get content ideas from for your business, sharing content online, say Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, the list is endless. I've got you covered. All those social media platforms, I've got you covered. Hi, my name is Damie Alabi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I share everything about content creation, social media, and branding for your business. If you are a content creator or an entrepreneur, small business owner looking to navigate the world of content creation and social media, this channel is the best channel for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now, as a content creator, I know what it feels like to have creator's block. I know what it feels like to not have ideas for your next content. There are several ways that we can tackle this. I have videos coming out on content creation, on content calendars. However, for now, we're going to be talking about how to get the ideas in the first place. Before you can create a content calendar, you need ideas. So let's start off with the easiest one. Ask your audience what they want to see. Many times we think that, oh, this content or this video or this picture or this TikTok, whatever, when I post it, the whole internet will shake. You think, oh, I am Beyonce. When I post this video like this, everybody will be relating. But then you realize that when you post the video, a few people are like, what's going on? Now, what you want to do in that situation where people are not engaging with your content as they used to, you want to ask them, what would you like to see? There's no kalokabo in this matter. I'm trying to look for the English. There's no back and forth in this matter. Just create a post telling people, oh, I've been creating content for a long time. I would like to know, what do you resonate with? What would you like to see more of? Or you could even create a poll. Would you like to see more tutorials? Would you like to see more behind the scenes? You know, whatever kind of content you create. Say, for instance, you own a beauty brand, say like a skincare line. Create a poll asking people, would you like to see more behind the scenes videos? Would you like to see more helpful videos? Would you like to see more tutorial videos? Would you like to see more before and after kind of videos? So ask your audience, or ask your customers, ask your clients, what kind of content would you like to see more of? It's very simple, very easy, and it is absolutely free. Trust me, people love to give feedback. So why not listen to them? And once people are giving you this feedback, take it, create content around it, and post. This makes your audience feel like they are a part of your community. They feel like their voices are being heard. So ask your audience today, what would you like to see more of? A website or a platform where I really like to get content idea from is from answerthepublic.com. This one is very simple to use, just like every other one I'm going to mention. You're a business owner and you sell makeup, for instance. Just go on answerthepublic.com, put makeup. You're going to get hundreds of questions about makeup. Those questions, you take them and then you answer them with your videos. You have a skincare line, a skincare business. Go on answerthepublic.com and put skincare, or put homemade skincare. You see different questions. You see questions, like so many questions. So take these questions and then start creating content about these questions. Very, very simple. Basically, answerthepublic.com is you answering the public's questions. And these kind of questions, or this content that you'd create, photos, videos, it could be blog posts, they establish you as a thought leader, as an authority in that niche that you're trying to create content about. They establish you as the go-to person for all things information in that niche that you're trying to create content about. So answerthepublic.com is a very good place to find unlimited, emphasis on the word unlimited, content ideas for your business. Now, the next place is Google Trends. Oh gosh, I personally love Google Trends. When I'm creating, now this one is on the go. Answerthepublic.com, you can go there, find your questions, create content, and then schedule. With Google Trends, it's on the go. It's on the go, you know, it's trends. What is trending in your niche? Go to the Google Trends, find out, say if you are in Jamaica, find out what is trending in Jamaica. And when you see the trends, if you find something that has to do with your business, or something that you can turn around and make it about your business. A good example, trying to see what has trended recently. Honestly, I haven't been online much. My phone got spoiled. Okay, around that time that lady that had the gorilla glue on her head. If you are somebody, if you are you know, a beautician, right, or you make hair or something like that, you can create content around it, enlighten people on why they shouldn't use it or why they should read labels. That's a good example. Enlighten people on why they should read labels. Recently, Kim Kardashian lost a lot of weight to fit into a dress. If you are a dietitian, you're a medical doctor, you're a weight loss coach, you could create content around that. Just go on Google Trends, find what are people talking about. Once you find what they are talking about, create content about that thing immediately. I mean, you have like 48 hours, right? But as soon as you can, create content when it's still trending, get in front of a lot of people. People are researching it. You want to get in front of them. And once they see it, they say, okay, this person is speaking about this thing. Why is the person knowledgeable? Then they go to your Instagram page and like, oh, this person is a beautician, this person is a weight loss coach, this person is a medical doctor. You get a follow, and then in the long run, you can convert that person into a paying customer. So Google Trends, your best friend when it comes to content creation. Now, another way you can find content to create is, what is your audience resonating with? What is something that when you create, they're like, yeah, you go girl. Is it tutorial? Is it funny videos? Is it relatable videos? Is it skits? Whatever it is that they constantly resonate with, then create more of those. It's very simple. If they are, if they are resonating with something, create more. Just find ways to tweak it, twist it, and then you find that your audience will stay with you, your audience will grow with you, and you can convert your audience into paying clients. That is, if you're a business owner, if you're a content creator, you have more likes on the go. So look through your videos. If you are a YouTuber, a content creator online, Instagram, look through your posts. What do you get the most engagement on? Likes, comments, shares, and then create more of that. Okay, this one I do a lot for YouTube. Just go to YouTube or Google and let Google complete the sentence for you. When Google completes the sentence for you, Google is telling you that these are the things people are searching for, and then Google thinks that you want to search for it. Let's say you're a weight loss coach and people are looking for how to lose. Whatever Google completes those things for, those are the top search keywords or top search words or those are the top search sentences. And what you want to do is create content around those things. You can create content around everything. I used to create content about Gele a lot, and I did this for my Gele videos, and they are some of my most popular videos on my channel. I just look for how to tie Gele, and I saw that people were how to tie Gele for beginners, how to tie Gele by yourself, how to tie Gele, and I created content around those things. Now I'm not so interested in Gele tying, but it's very important. Just go to Google how to people that those things. Once Google brings it out, write them down and create content around those things. It also helps you to be found in search, because of course Google is telling you that these are things people are searching for, and if you are creating these topics or content around these topics, then Google will find you, and Google finds you, more people find you, and then you make more money or you get more views, depending on what your end goal is. If you're a creator, your goal is to get more views and make more money. If you're a business person, your goal is to make sales. So whatever your goal is, let Google be your friend. And then the final one, which I also really like, is Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is a Google Chrome extension. I'm not really sure they're only with Google, but it's a Google Chrome extension, and I use Keywords Everywhere. Install it on your Google Chrome, and once you search anything, it brings several suggestions of other things people are searching for, and you can create content around these topics as well. So you want to look into the extension keywordseverywhere.com. It's absolutely free. There's a paid version, but of course I use the free version because yeah. So you can use the free version to create content for your businesses. Thanks so much for watching this video. My name is Damie Alabi. If you found this video helpful or you enjoyed it in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe, and drop me a comment down below letting me know which of these platforms or which of these methods you have used or you'll be using in the future to come. I would like to connect with you down in the comment section as well. And I would like to connect with you down in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching this video. I do not take this for granted. Share with a friend, a business owner, a content creator who you think might find this helpful. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great one.